This short video will show you how you can purchase USDT using Bybit, a centralized crypto exchange platform with over 100 crypto tokens listed, and over 300 spot trading pairs, including major coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin and many more. To get started, go to bybit.com or click the link in the description box. Enter your email address, assign a strong password for your account, and click Create an account. Next, check your email and enter the verification code sent to you by Bybit. Don't forget to verify your account so you can start purchasing crypto such as USDT via P2P. Once you're eligible for P2P transactions, hover over Buy Crypto and click P2P Transfer. Choose from different merchants and click Buy USDT. Enter how much USDT you want to purchase. Click Buy and choose your preferred payment method. Pay using your preferred payment method and proceed with your transaction. Once received, you can check your purchased asset via P2P on your funding account. That's it. You have purchased USDT via P2P using Bybit.